manalangin.
Third set.
Kaya sana po, coordinate po kayo sa amin, no? Let's start the prayer po, no? Bigyan po natin natin ng mga. Hello? Excuse me po, magpapaya po tayo. Madali lang po. Susunod po natin ang ating sportsmanship. Pwede po tatawag kami ng isa sa mga team members. Okay, meron po bubulong sa ating ating napakasipag organizer. Please Marty. Na-request po niya from Webshop team called Coach Fidel. Hindi doon sportsmanship. I state your name of the state your name color and your state and I participate of the first holding this prayer and I believe by a clear and a bold form petition agreement with the religion and decision being set forth by the organizer of this work competition. As a competitor today, I do give rights solemnly swear and I do to play in the highest form and the standard of discipline and sportsmanship, no matter whether I am play the game in this honorable arena. I do hereby solemnly swear and declare to preserve the tenets and preserve the true sportsmanship in thought, in word, and in deed. So help me God. So thank you. Okay, bago po tayo pumunta doon sa news presentation. Okay, dito po muna namin, we just want to officially announce the 1K Unity Cup.
July 7, 2013. It's officially open. Nagtuloy po tayo lahat. Nagtuloy po tayo. Para ito po umpisa ng ating 1K Basketball Youth Cup ay maging successful. Sabi po namin mga kaya, gagawin po namin na satisfy kayo para po sa ating mga. Hello? Ramon. Pwede ba gano'n? Okay po. Bago po sa ating music presentation, ang ating po maging judges para po sa best shoes and best uniform. Okay po, ang ating pong judges ay si Miss Giselle Vigasa, Senior Sales Manager of Prince Revenue Division. Wanna give her a big applause. Jadi po, dalawa po ang ating judges para balanse. Isa po judges natin, si Miss Debbie also our team director of Prince Revenue Division. Please come forward. Then from here backwards. Please step backward. Wala, tatawagin po kayo. May pupuntahan po tayo. Okay, para po. Wala po sa mga aksyon na alam nila. From Blue Devil. From Blue Republic, please come forward. Then from Sunshine. Ladies, please come forward. Thank you.
Time out.
Please once again, sideward po tayo. On the left. Step sideward po. Okay, para po sa Super Team. Okay po. Two-step backward po tayo. Two-step backward para po makita ng ating judges.
Yes! Three sets win. Tomorrow Blizzards versus Ball Breakers.
Ayan po, magkalandakan ng 2